Initial scan confirms identification. Crotalus scutulatus.
Verification successful. Ready for transfer.
Jurgens. In the primary containment zone, the Mojave rattlesnakes are systematically placed into temperature-controlled racks.
The automated system categorizes the Mojave rattlesnakes by venom potency. Grade 1 profiles are immediately routed for Process A feedstock.
The robotic arm ensures zero contamination of the raw material. Specialized head restraints are positioned precisely for the upcoming procedure.
A stream of viscous raw venom is drawn into a sterile glass vial.
The stabilized raw venom is pumped into the dedicated neurotoxin A processing zone. This marks the absolute
The pressure on the microfilters is stabilizing now.
Good, we are ready for the chill collection phase.
The clarified neurotoxin precursor solution is pumped towards the towering ion exchange chromatography columns. Process A concentration via ultrafiltration. The collected, clear neurotoxin A solution is forced through a large, automated
to brewing. The HPLC unit dispenses the final purified neurotoxin A. Process A is used in
Inside the vault, robotic stackers meticulously store the neurotoxin component A. With this,
Specialized enzymes are robotically introduced to cleave the hemotoxic proteins.
The stabilized hemotoxin solution is pumped through this network of robust industrial-grade filters towards the centrifugal separation unit.
the labeled ampoules of deep amber hemotoxin component B are transferred into specialized stainless steel racks. The fully assembled kits are verified for precise total weight, confirming all cryogenic components are present before being moved to the shipping logistics center.
The internal temperature on pallet 4 is holding steady at -20.
Confirmed. We are cleared for transfer to the cryodock.
Delivery for hemotoxin component B.
Thank you. Let me verify the temperature. Looks good.
Including Crotalus. The automated systematically tests the hemotoxin against various experimental anti-venom candidates.
As you can see, the kinetic data confirms consistent enzymatic activity and stability.
Yes, process B purification was highly successful.
Stored deep within the ultra-low freezer, these ampules of hemotoxin component B are secured by advanced...
Here we see the hemotoxin structure. By analyzing component B, we designed targeted inhibitors for therapeutic use.
The efficacy of the purified hemotoxin component B was crucial. The deep amber liquid enabled our breakthrough in
The hemotoxin component B is meticulously prepared for in vivo efficacy trials.
The long-term planning for hemotox component B looks solid here.
Absolutely. The reliable supply chain ensures we can focus on the specialized therapies for blood disorders.